Okay, day 3. Today's drive is from Nashville to Hoover, Alabama. I keep acquiring more bags and stuff. I don't know why, but right now it's like 7:15, waiting for some buddies to meet us here at the hotel, and then we're headed out. I think today we're actually gonna follow the route as much as we can because it's actually a pretty cool route. And then I don't even know what the venue is today. I think it's just like a fairgrounds type deal, but oh well, we'll see what it is. It's supposed to be very hot again, so should be a fun day. About 2 hours of straight driving. It was a lot, but it was actually some pretty cool roads and stuff. That thing is gotta be fun to go on those roads. We're taking a break, watching cars go by, see if we can get anyone to do some burnouts or rev up, as it's like, I don't even know, 12:30, maybe even 1, and probably halfway there, I'd say. So got a couple hours. And this route is pretty cool so far. I mean, it's all just roads like this. Like, we got this little stop here. I don't even know what this is, some abandoned little building or something, but yeah, just neat. All right, we just got to Hoover. We were just trying to figure out what this place is called. None of us really know, but it's in Hoover, Alabama. QA1 was nice enough to let me park the Duster in their booth. Got Bryce right next door there, so that's pretty cool. It's a hot drive. We took the back roads pretty much the entire way, though, so we probably had like a 10-car train, so I guess we're just going to hang out here until I get run over. And then maybe walk around and show some other stuff, because I did not film a whole lot yet today. And I'd like to get out more than a 5 or 7 minute video. Either of those are easy to watch. Everyone's just kind of hanging out right now. Mike is putting new QA1 stuff on his Mustang over there. We got D Speed Shop heading out. This is my buddy Crew Cap Dart on Instagram. He just finished this up to get ready for Power Tour. Put a 360 in it. It's really cool. Me and Bryce just hanging here in the QA1 booth. And yeah, they're getting that finished up. And then after this, I don't know what the plan is, if anything. But hopefully some cool stuff tonight. We've done 2 nights with, well, only 1 burnout. And that didn't end so well. So we'll see what happens. That's such a good angle. Oh, I do. Watch this. Boom. That's a good little one. Hell yeah. Yeah!